First question is who was the captain of the Indian Test team during the 2025 England tour? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, KL Rahul. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill was the captain of the Indian Test team during the 2025 England tour. Next, what was the final result of the 5-match Test series? England won 3-2, India won 3-2, drawn 2-2, drawn 1-1. Right answer is drawn 2-2. The final result of the 5-match Test series drawn 2-2. Next question, which new trophy was introduced for this Test series? Pataudi Trophy, WTC Trophy, Anderson Tendulkar Trophy, Border Gavaskar Trophy. Right answer is Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. Anderson Tendulkar Trophy was introduced for this Test series. Next, who was the highest run scorer in the series? Joey Root, Shubman Gill, Ollie Pope, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill was the highest run scorer in the series. Next, what was the Shubman Gill's highest score during the series? 201, 269, 182, 247. Right answer is 269. Shubman Gill's highest score 269 during the series. Next, at which venue did India register a massive win by 336 runs? Lords, Edgbaston, The Oval, Manchester. Right answer is Edgbaston. At Edgbaston, India registered a massive win by 336 runs. Next, who took a 5-wicket haul to help India win the final test at the Oval? Jasprit Bumrah, Ravindra Jadeja, Mohammad Siraj, Akshar Patel. Right answer is Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj took a 5-wicket haul to help India win the final test at the Oval. Next, which England player scored a century in the 5th test at the Oval? Joe Root, Ben Stokes, Johnny Bairstow, Harry Brook. Right answer is Harry Brook. Harry Brook scored a century in the 5th test at the Oval. Next, who was named player of the series? Ollie Pope, Mohammad Siraj, Shubman Gill, James Anderson. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill was named player of the series. Next, which Indian batter scored back-to-back unbeaten centuries in the first 2 tests? Virat Kohli, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shubman Gill, Sarfaraz Khan. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill scored back-to-back unbeaten centuries in the first 2 tests. Next, which Indian wicketkeeper missed the final test due to injury? Ishan Kishan, Rishabh Pant, KL Rahul, Dhruv Jurel. Right answer is Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant missed the final test due to injury. Next, India's narrowest ever test win margin was recorded in which match? First test, second test, fifth test, third test. Right answer is fifth test. India's narrowest ever test win margin was recorded in fifth test. Next, what was India's winning margin in the 5th test at the Oval? 10 runs, 15 runs, 6 runs, 1 wicket. Right answer is 6 runs. India's winning margin in the 5th test at the Oval is 6 runs. Next, who stood in as captain for England during Ben Stokes' absence? Joey Root, Ollie Pope, Johnny Bairstow, Chris Oakes. Right answer is Ollie Pope. Ollie Pope stood as captain for England during Ben Stokes' absence. Next, which Indian fast bowler replaced Jasprit Bumrah in the 5th test? Umesh Yadav, Abhas Khan, Prasidh Krishna, Mukesh Kumar. Right answer is Prasidh Krishna. Prasidh Krishna replaced Jasprit Bumrah in the 5th test. Next, how many centuries did Shubman Gill score in the series? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right answer is 3. Shubman Gill scored 3 centuries in the series. Next, India retained the trophy because they were dash holders. Anderson Tendulkar, ICC WTC, previous series, world number 1. Right answer is previous series. India retained the trophy because they were the previous series holders. Next, who was England's leading wicket taker in the series? James Anderson, Mark Wood, Ollie Robinson, Jack Leach. Right answer is Ollie Robinson. Ollie Robinson was England's leading wicket taker in the series. Next, which venue hosted the 3rd test match of the series? Headingley, Edgbaston, Lords, Old Trafford. Right answer is Lords. The venue Lords hosted the 3rd test match of the series. Next, which Indian bowler delivered the decisive final spell on day 5 of the last test? Mohammad Siraj, Akshar Patel, Kuldeep Yadav, Shardul Thakur. Right answer is Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj delivered the decisive final spell on day 5 of the last test. Next, which English batter narrowly missed taking his team to victory in the 5th test? Joey Root, Ben Duckett, Harry Brook, Jack Crowley. Right answer is Harry Brook. Harry Brook narrowly missed taking his team to victory in the 5th test. Next, what historic feat did Shubman Gill achieve in the second test at Edgbaston? Fastest Indian century in England, most runs by the Indian in a single test, first Indian to score a triple century in England, youngest Indian captain to win in England. Right answer is most run by an Indian in a single test. Next, which Indian spinner played all 5 matches of the series? Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, Kuldeep Yadav, Washington Sundar. Right answer is Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja played all 5 matches of the series. Next, in which city is Headingley Stadium located? Birmingham, London, Leeds, Manchester. Right answer is Leeds. Headingley Stadium located in Leeds. Next, what was England's result in third test at Lords? Won, lost, drawn, match abandoned. Right answer is won. In the third test at Lords, England was won. Which Indian fast bowler was part of the playing 11 in the second test but not the fifth? Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, Akashdeep. Right answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah was part of the playing 11 in the second test but not the fifth. Next, how many centuries did Indian batters score in the entire series? 3, 5, 7, 6. Right answer is 5. 5 centuries Indian batters score in the entire series. Next, who was India's head coach during this series? Rahul Dravid, Gautam Gambhir, Anil Kumble, VVS Lakshman. Right answer is Gautam Gambhir. Gautam Gambhir was India's head coach during this series. Next, what milestone did England's James Anderson approach during this series? 700 test wickets, fastest 10 wicket haul, 200 test appearance, most wickets in the home season. Right answer is 700 test wickets. England's James Anderson approached 700 test wickets milestone during this series. Next, what made 5th test at the Oval historically significant? India's largest away win, lowest score defended by India, England's first innings defeat, first tied test between the two. Right answer is lowest score defended by India. 5th test at the Oval historically significant for lowest score defended by India. Next, who was awarded the player of the series for the India vs England 2025 test series? Harry Brook, Mohammad Siraj, Shubman Gill, Joe Root. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill awarded the player of the series for the India vs England 2025 test series. Next, who received the man of the match award in the second test at Edgbaston? Ravindra Jadeja, Shubman Gill, Mohammad Siraj, Ollie Pope. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill received the man of the match award in the second test at Edgbaston. Next, which Indian player received the Patudi Medal of Excellence at the end of the series? Virat Kohli, Mohammad Siraj, Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma. Right answer is Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill received the Patudi Medal of Excellence at the end of the series. Next, who won the man of the match award in the 5th test at the Oval? Harry Brook, Mohammad Siraj, Ollie Pope, Kuldeep Yadav. Right answer is Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj won man of the match award in the 5th test at the Oval. Next, which Indian bowler took the most wickets in the series? Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Ravindra Jadeja, Akashdeep. Right answer is Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj took the most wickets in the series. Next, which England player had the highest individual score in the series? Joe Root, Jack Crowley, Harry Brook, Johnny Bairstow. Right answer is Harry Brook. Highest individual score in the series among England player is Harry Brook. Next, what special recognition was awarded for the first time during this series? Player of the Day, Spirit of Cricket Trophy, Patudi Medal of Excellence, ICC Best Captain Award. Right answer is Patudi Medal of Excellence. Next, which team retained the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy after the series was drawn? England, India, shared, not awarded. Right answer is India. Team India retained the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy after the series was drawn. Next, what was the name of the trophy contested during the 2025 India-England Test Series? Pataudi Trophy, Border Gavaskar Trophy, Anderson Tendulkar Trophy, Ashes Trophy. Right answer is Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. Anderson Tendulkar Trophy contested during the 2025 India-England Test Series. Next, Ravindra Jadeja became the first Indian to achieve which rare all-round milestone in the Test Series in England? 500 plus run and 10 catches, 700 plus run and 25 wickets, 3 centuries and 20 wickets, 1000 plus runs and 15 plus sixes. Right answer is 700 plus runs and 25 plus wickets. Ravindra Jadeja became the first Indian to achieve 700 plus runs and 25 plus wickets, rare all-round milestone in a Test Series in England. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. Jai Jagannath.